Morning guys, welcome to another video. And today it's a Christmas day and the whole city, it's very quiet. We are at Goreangab Dam and I'm out of the house. Actually I'm going to Chinatown just to go and explore, and from Chinatown I'm going to town. So check out the view at my front. Okay, we are at Okapale. This is Okapale. Yeah, actually this is where a lot of activities happen. As you can see, there are stands along the road and a lot of people sell here. Let's go to town. Let's go to to Chinatown and see how is Chinatown from Chinatown to town.
Kana service station. $12 please. $12 please.
I'm not sure if you guys know this. To come to Chinatown, it's 26. Yeah, it's 26. But with me, no, I decided I don't want to pay 26. I just paid $12 to Hakana service station, and I'm footing to Chinatown. It's just 5 minutes to walk, and then you are already there. So guys, look at the view, it's very impressive. Yeah, we are actually into the stores. On my right, in the left side is where we can find a lot of stores. Yet I didn't went into any of the store, but yeah, it's also not a lot of people here. We have some few, but I can see some movement, and yeah, and some shops are also closed. Maybe people they have went for the holiday. So let me see to which one am I going into. Yeah.
For level blue and the black. Which color you want?
Sorry?
Alright, at least I found something. The plastic tails, they are Christmas hats. but actually it's not really a big issue coming here. I'm not really sure, but people here are friendly. A little bit, just a little bit, because anything can happen and nobody's gonna help you. So yeah, I'm done shopping, so let me go for a cab down. Huh? We are finally in town. I'm at the taxi rank, WERNHILL parkings. Let me go inside, but they don't allow people to film, so I'll try my best to hide the camera as possible as I can. So let's see how it's going. I'm good, man. Whew, damn, I'm finally out of WERNHILL and I got some clip for you guys. Okay. But the town, it's not that full. So you can see it's a damn boring town. Guys, we are here in Zoo Park and it's very empty. I don't know where the people, maybe they went to the north or they are in the houses. Just look at the green grass. It's all empty and we only have few people. So guys, make sure where you are enjoying, because your vibe might be the best. This one is not yet really the best, but yeah, hopefully yours might be the best than this one. Woo! The sun is already gone and I'm sweating here. Climbing up here, it's not a joke. And here, the welcome view of the famous church, it's here. Let me show you. Returning to the park. Wow, guys, it's beautiful. The mood, it's activated, fully activated. Let me stop and show you the view. This is wonderful.